Hello friends, welcome to Tips and Tricks in Mathematics. This is for class 12 students and the topic of discussion is continuity and differentiability. In this video, we will be focusing on NCERT solutions for exercise number 7, which is dealing with second derivatives. So we need to find second derivative or second order derivative for this function. Let y equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. We know how to find the first derivative. First derivative is written as either y dash or we can write it as dy by dx. Second derivative is y double dash given by or d square y by dx square. So we can write y dash. We know how to find the derivative. X square derivative is 2x. 3x derivative is 3. This derivative of 2 is 0. So we get the derivative as y dash equal to 2x plus 3. This is the first derivative. Now second derivative is again finding the derivative of the first derivative. So we will write y dash, y double dash, finding the derivative of this, which is 2x derivative is 2, derivative of 3 is 0. So the second derivative of this function is 2. Find the second derivative of the function x power 20. Let y equal to x power 20. Then first derivative is given by 20x, 20 minus 1, 19. How do we get? We know y, if y equal to x power n, y dash is nx n minus 1. We know this is a standard formula. So we got this. Now y double dash or the second derivative is finding derivative of this function, which is 20 into 19 x power 18. This is 380 x power 18. This is the second derivative of the function x power 20. Find the second derivative of the function x cube log x. So how do we proceed? Let y equal to x cube log x. So y dash first derivative will be x cube into derivative of log x is 1 over x plus log x into derivative of x cube, which is 3x square. So this will be x square plus 3x square log x. Now we find the second derivative of this function. So y double dash or second derivative is derivative of x square is 2x plus derivative of this is in a product rule we can do 3x square into derivative of log x is 1 over x plus log x into derivative of 3x square is 6x. So this will be 2x plus 3x. We can cancel this plus 6x log x. So this is equal to 5x plus 6x log x. This is the second derivative of x cube log x. Find the second order derivative of this function. So let y equal to e power x sine phi x. Before we start, the derivative of e power x is e power x itself. So that we should know. So the first derivative will start. First derivative is first function into derivative of second. So derivative of sine phi x is cos phi x into phi, which is phi cos x. Phi cos phi x. So we can write this as phi e power x cos phi x plus sine phi x into derivative of ex plus ex sine phi x, cos derivative of ex is ex itself. So now we will take ex common. So we get phi cos phi x plus sine phi x. So we got two functions, e power x and this function. So we will find the second derivative now. So first function into derivative of second. So first function is ex into derivative of this. So we will get this is derivative of cos phi x is minus sine phi x into phi. So minus 25 sine phi x plus derivative of this is cos phi x into phi plus phi cos phi x plus this function into derivative of this function, pull this function into derivative of e power x is e power x. So we can write plus e power x phi cos phi x plus sin phi x. So we can simplify this. We can take e power x common. So what is left inside? Phi cos phi x plus phi cos phi is 10 cos phi x minus 25 and plus 1 minus 24 sin phi x. We can take 2 also common. 2 e power x phi cos phi x minus 12 sin phi x. This is the second derivative of the function e power x sin phi x. Find the second derivative of the function tan inverse x. So let y equal to tan inverse x. Then first derivative dy by dx can be given by 1 by 1 plus x square. This is the first derivative also written by dy by dx. So second derivative will be finding derivative of this. So we can write 1 plus x square the whole square, denominator into derivative of numerator. Numerator is 1, its derivative is 0. So first term will be 0 minus numerator into derivative of denominator is 2x. So we'll get minus 2x by 1 plus x square the whole square. This is the second derivative of the function tan inverse x. Find the second derivative of the function log x. So we'll write y equal to log x. So y dash will be, what is the derivative of log x? 1 over x. So 1 over log x into derivative of log x is 1 over x. So we can write it as 1 over x log x. So now finding second derivative of this function will be denominator the whole square, x log x the whole square, denominator into derivative of numerator is 0 minus numerator into derivative of x log x. What is derivative of x log x? X into 1 over x plus log x into derivative of x is 1. So we'll get like this. So we'll get it minus 1 plus log x by x log x the whole square. This is the second derivative of the function log x. Y equal to cos x minus 3 sin x. We need to show d square y by, this is the second derivative, plus y equal to 0. Let us write the first derivative dy by dx. Cos x derivative is minus sin x, so minus 5 sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x, so minus 3 cos x. Now finding second derivative of the first derivative. Second derivative is finding the derivative of the first derivative. So we have to find derivative of this. Derivative of sin x is cos x, so minus 5 cos x. Cos x derivative is sin x, so plus 3 sin x. So what we observe? This is nothing but negative of this. So we can write this as minus y. So d square y by dx square plus y is equal to 0. That's what we wanted to prove here. We have proved it. If y equal to cos inverse x, find d square y by dx square in terms of y alone. So if y equal to cos inverse x, we also know that cos y equal to x. So wherever x will get, we will substitute by cos y. From this we are getting, if y equal to cos inverse x, cos y is equal to x. Now dy by dx we can find minus 1 over square root of 1 minus x square. This is the standard first derivative of cos inverse x. Now we find the second derivative d square y by dx square. Square of 1 minus x square, square root is 1 minus x square. So denominator into derivative of numerator is 0 minus plus numerator into derivative of denominator. What is derivative of denominator? 1 over 2 square root of 1 minus x square into minus 2x. This is the derivative. So what we get now? We can put square root of 1 minus x square will come down. So this will become power 3 by 2. 2 will get cancelled. So we will get minus x by 1 minus x square power 3 by 2. So we are getting this correct. Now we substitute, we want in terms of y alone. So wherever x is there, we will substitute by cos y. So d square y by dx square equal to minus cos y 1 minus cos square y power 3 by 2. So what is 1 minus cos square y? Sin square y. Sin square power 3 by 2 is sin cube y. This is minus cos y sin cube y. Is it okay? So one sin we can use it with this and get cot y. This will be equal to minus cot y, and we will be remaining with 1 by sin square y, which is cosecant square y. So this is the second derivative of this function in terms of y alone. In this problem, we are given this function and we need to show what is y subscript 2 and y1. They are the first, this is first derivative and this is second derivative. y2 is second derivative. So y1 is first derivative, y2 is second derivative. This is same as y dash and y double dash, or dy by dx, or d square y by dx square. So how do we proceed? We first find the first derivative. So y1 is derivative of cos is minus sine. So minus sine log x into derivative of log x is 1 over x plus 4 cos log x into derivative of log x is x. Now we multiply this equation by x throughout. So this will be xy1 minus 3 sine log x plus 4 cos log x. Now we find the second derivative or derivative of this equation. How do we do it? First function into derivative of second. So xy2 plus first function into derivative of x, which is x derivative 1 only. And this is minus 3 cos log x into derivative of log x is 1 over x minus 4 sine log x into a derivative of log x is x. Again we multiply this equation throughout by x. So x square y2 plus xy1 equal to minus 3 cos log x minus 4 sine log x. This is nothing but minus y. From here we can see. So we take on all sides the expression. So x square y2 plus xy1 plus y is equal to 0. Hence we have proved it. If y equal to this, then we need to show this. So dy by dx we can easily find. Derivative of e power 7x is e power 7x into 7. So 500 into 7 e power 7x. Similarly this will be minus 600 into 7 e power minus 7x. Now our second derivative we will find. Again we will find this derivative into, so 500 into 7 into 7 e power 7x minus 600 into 7 into 7. This will become plus now e power minus 7x. So we can take 49 as common. So 49 we can take outside 7 into 7. So it will be 500 e power 7x plus 600 e power minus 7x, but this is nothing but y itself. So this is equal to 49y. D square y by dx square is 49. That's what we wanted to prove. This function we need to show this. Please note that the second derivative, this is the second derivative, is not same as dy by dx the whole square. In this expression we need to show, but they are separate things. d square y by dx square is not same as dy by dx the whole square. In this particular problem we have to show that, but in general they are not same, both things are different. This is square of the first derivative and this is the second derivative. They are different things, but in this particular problem we need to show they are equal. This is a specific problem, but generally this is not true. So we will find derivative of this. So first function into derivative of x plus 1 is 1 itself, plus x plus 1 into derivative of e power y is e power y dy by dx, and derivative of 1 is 0. So we got this. So we can take dy by dx on one side, dy by dx x plus 1 equal to minus e power y by e power y, which is minus 1. So dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by x plus 1. So we will find the second derivative of this. So denominator the whole square. Denominator into derivative of numerator is 0 minus numerator. So this will become plus 1 into derivative of denominator is 1. So this is 1 over x plus 1 the whole square. But what is derivative of 1 over x plus 1 is nothing but dy by dx with the negative sign. Since we have to put it as square here, this can be written as dy by dx the whole square. Friends, with this we conclude this video. Please like and subscribe my channel so that in future more videos can be released to you instantaneously. Thank you very much, friends.